What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you're looking for some flexibility, you've come to the right place. Today I'll be going over work at home data entry jobs that pays over $20 per hour. Alright guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell if you haven't done so. That way you're notified every time I put out content like this to help you make money from home. Okay, so with these jobs here, you're definitely going to have to put in some time. You're going to have to put in some work. You can make some good money from them. Okay, so I'll go ahead and go over them step by step for you, okay? The first one here is called Click Worker. Alright, and if you're not familiar with Click Worker, what it is that this company pays you to do micro tasks. And basically, it revolves around data entry, basically, okay? So this is the website here. And as you can see, from here it says Click Worker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct tasks, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. How it works? You can sign up as a Click Worker free of charge. You work independently. Your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer or a mobile device with an internet connection. You decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. So basically, with this company, you're just going to be doing simple tasks for certain companies that need, extra work done, and you're going to get paid for it, okay? So, as you can see here, it says you're going to be doing creation of tasks, data categorization, copy editing, proofreading, web research, surveys, mystery photographers, and app testing. So these are the different kind of tasks that you would be doing. How you get started is that you would sign up at Click Worker, fill out your user profile, complete short assessments, good results, ensure many jobs, and process your jobs online. And then you get paid on a weekly or monthly basis. Okay, so you want to make sure you're doing pretty much good work, and you're gonna always be able to get more work the more good that you do. Okay, all right. So these are the benefits that you get here for basically working with Click Worker. All right, and these are some testimonials from some members that did some work with them. Okay, so guys, if you want to get started, you just want to go ahead and click the register button up here, and once you click that, you'll be able to get started. If you have more questions, you can click the FAQ, and that way you get more of your questions answered. All right, so the next one I have here is micro workers, and with micro workers, it's pretty much like Click Worker. You'll be doing micro tasks for companies that need extra work done. Okay, so they come here and they'll basically use a template here, and they'll use a template so that way you can fill out the template, and once you fill it out, you'll basically be helping their company out. So you'll be doing a couple of tasks like taking a survey, evaluate people personality, that kind of stuff. Okay, so they also have transcription also, so you can also do that. Now once you're ready to get started, you click on register, and this will bring up the form here, so that way you can go in and fill it out. You put in your information, and you'll be able to get started from there. Okay. The next one is called the Smart Crowd Linebridge. All right, so you want to go to thesmartcrowd.linebridge.com, and on this site here, you'll be doing also some data entry work. You'll be doing a lot of different tasks that'll allow you to get paid each time that you do it. Okay, you're going to be getting paid to either direct deposit or to your PayPal. Okay, so you want to come here, and you're going to click on how it works. And as you can see here, these are some FAQs. You want to go through them step by step. If you have any questions about this, anything you want to know, you definitely can go through it here, get a good feel of what this position is like. Okay, so it says, what is the pay like? We offer a competitive rate per task based on the expected productivity to complete a task. Rates are set for each task, and we pay once per month. We provide further details on this during the sign-up process. All right, so it's a lot of stuff to read here, some stuff that you can get acquainted with. And once you're ready to join, you just click Join the Smart Crowd. All right, that'll bring up the form here. You can fill it out. There's some other important information here, like you must be at least 18 years of age. All right, your country of residence must be your uninterrupted residence for the duration of your participation in the Linebridge crowd. Okay, so it's a couple different things here. Okay, so you definitely want to go through it, fill out the form, and you'll be able to get started. Okay. Now, every day I like to bring these kind of videos to you just to help you make money from home. So if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and leave a like for me. Comment if you have any questions. I'll be here to answer them. And also, guys, become self-made today and have a blessed day.